to stop buying any laptops, computers, high-end custom builds for the next 1.5 2 months.
AI bubble. AI bubble.
The AI bubble. AI bubble. AI bubble.
The AI bubble.
Watch this video before it is deleted on the internet. This video is about you. You were the reason for the increase in the prices of RAM, SSD, graphic card. Unlike the other YouTubers, I will not ask you to wait till the end for giving a conclusion on this. I'm just asking you to stop buying any laptops, computers, high-end custom builds for the next 1.5 2 months. Let's short the AI bubble. Let's talk about what exactly is happening right now. Why are the RAM prices increasing? Why are the SSD prices and the GPU prices also about to increase? Now, RAM basically is manufactured by three people: SK Hynix, Samsung, and Micron. Micron has recently issued a statement saying that they are not going to be giving any consumer-grade memory to the market, that is on the Crucial brand name. You're not going to get any more Crucial RAM sticks. And these three companies are notorious to be forming a cartel. There have been in the past allegations and there have been suits that have been settled out of the court where they have accepted that they had increased the prices. Now this might be something very similar to that, but it is a little different from what has happened earlier. What exactly is happening right now is all the AI companies, central to all these companies is OpenAI, which is fueling the entire thing. They are building data centers, AI data centers. And for whom are they building the AI data centers? For you. Because you want to use Claude, you want to use Gemini, you want to use different AI tools to make videos and photos and do a lot of stuff. All these AI data centers require HBM, high bandwidth memories. They require NAND storage. These high bandwidth memories are built in the same fab unit as conventional RAMs, just that they are much costlier. They are 10 times to 15 times costlier than a RAM. Now these three companies are also very smart. They know that this is just a temporary bubble, and I want you guys to know that this is a temporary bubble, because if it was not a temporary bubble, they would have they would have got another fab altogether to manufacture HBMs. Why are they shifting their existing RAM manufacturing unit to a HBM manufacturing unit? They could as well would have invested in separate fabs for manufacturing HBMs, but they're not. So they are smart. Are you smart? Now these companies are giving in a lot of these HBMs to the AI data centers, which are again hinged because of one central company, that is OpenAI. All the other startups, all the other people who are actually solving a problem using AI are basically one or the other way using the OpenAI's services, or Gemini is also, but OpenAI is the culprit over here. All these AI companies, none of them have actually reported profits. Even OpenAI has reported losses over the years. They have never been profitable. And in any case, OpenAI actually started with a agenda that they would never care for revenue. They wanted to do something good for humanity, but now they want to make money somehow, just because the investors are putting in their money. Now OpenAI, they are actually having a revenue of $12 to $20 billion, but they are slotted to spend in these data centers and the different engagements that they have with different companies to the tune of $1.2 trillion in the next 5 years. Now imagine, friends, the kind of revenue that a company has to make to spend that kind of money. And that too for a technology that is futuristic, no doubt about that. It is here to stay. I'm not telling that it is not here to stay. But right now, many people are wanting to make money out of the entire thing at this point of time. Just the way we have seen so many bubbles in the past. We had the 2000 .com bubble, we had the 2008 bubble, we had the Bitcoin bubble, we had the Bitcoin mining bubble. And you would have imagined how the graphic card prices had increased during the Bitcoin apocalypse. Right now it is the RAM apocalypse. The RAM, which was costing say 1,000 rupees, is being sold at 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. SSDs are from 2,500 rupees to up to 5,000 to 6,000 rupees. That's a difficult time for everybody right now. But there's a way out of this entire thing. Now coming back to the OpenAI thing, they have to spend that kind of money. Now where do they get this kind of money? They are into a very convenient circular engagement with AMD, with Microsoft, and with Nvidia. They are paying each other. Their entire game is to help each other become more valuable. So this is the reason I call it the AI bubble. One company has taken the stocks of the US government, US market to an amazing extent, and there are other companies which are dependent on this one single company. Now imagine if this one company falls down because of some, which it will at the end of the day. All these companies are going to come down. Why I tell you this is because there has been statements from their own OpenAI's top management seeking for a government bailout. Now, when do you get a bailout? When things are not happening in the right way. Already the bill that has been introduced in US is giving the tax holiday that was there for over 10 years, $2 million per year of tax holiday. They're giving it in the first year itself. And the bailout that is being talked about in all these circles, it's all indicating that the US government is heading into a huge recession. And sooner or later, the AI bubble is going to take down all these companies like a house of cards. Now, once that happens, do you think that SK Hynix, Micron, Samsung, all these companies are going to keep selling their HBMs to these guys? No, right? They are again going to come back to you, the consumer, who's actually built their company. So if you want the RAM prices to be normalized, see, as per inflation, things will increase, but such a huge amount of difference in the prices is absolutely not digestible. So I'm requesting you to share this video amongst all the people who want to buy computers, laptops and desktops, custom built PCs for the next 1.5 to 2 months. Ask them to pause, ask them to, nothing will happen unless and until it is a mission critical thing. You're in health industry and you require service, that's okay. But try to make do with whatever you have right now. Just pause your purchases and just see how it just falls down like house of cards. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you liked my video and do subscribe to. Thank you.